Hey everyone, welcome back. Kawaii Brit here, and today I have an opening for you. I have these Cardcaptor Sakura Sanrio keychains that they did. If you are following Sanrio at all, they had this whole series. I wanted to get them all, but I decided just to get the keychains. I wanted all the plushies, I swear I did, but I just don't have a place for them right now. I need to get some shelves and everything for all the stuff that I collect. So I just got the keychains, and there's a 6 in here. One is a mystery. So I know that I'm going to get all 6, of course, because it's a whole pack. So I'm going to get one of each. I'm excited to see what the mystery is because it didn't show you at all in any of the pictures that I looked at. But each of them has Sakura in one of her famous outfits and matched up with one of the characters. I am splitting this box in half with my best friend Ingsune. I am going to open them though, and then we're going to go through them together and separate them. It's going to be a hard task, but I'm sure we can do it. But anyway, let's get in this and see what we got. Oh, and you may have seen these in my recent haul video with all the paper theaters that I got from Japan. Yeah, this came directly from Japan. So here they all are, and they are all separated, and so we're gonna have to unwrap each of them individually. So let's take them all out. Okay, so we're gonna start with this one, and here you can see them all close up. Look at these outfits, they're so cute. Now, they aren't exactly the outfits that she wears in the anime and manga, but they're pretty much based off of it. They might have tweaked them just a little bit. Look like the ears that they gave her. It's just, they're adorable. So let's get in here and see what we got. Which one is it? Oh, they're see-through. I got the mystery one first. That is lucky. Today must be my lucky day. I picked the mystery one first, and it's Kero. Look, he's so cute. Oh my gosh. And I love that the keychain is a little star, if you guys can see. It's so cute. So, there it is. Let me give you guys a closer look. And he has sweets, of course, because Kero loves sweets. Oh, I love how sparkly and see-through this is. It is adorable. Okay, let's see which one it is. I'm trying to get a hold of the keychain. See? Aww, look at her. It's Cardcaptor Sakura and Pompurin. Sorry guys, I have a cold, so it's hard for me to say certain things right now. But look how cute! And again, you can see through it. I love all the sparkle in the background. These are pretty big too. I wasn't expecting them to be this big, but they would be like maybe that big. There she is. Who did we get this time? Cardcaptor Sakura and Kuromi. Oh my gosh, this is so detailed. I love that they look like the cards too. Well, like they tried to bring in the frame of the card and where the name would be. It's just so cute. Oh, it's Cardcaptor and My Melody. Look, they're like giving hugs or like, I don't know, cuddling. It's kind of really cute. I love this little dress. It's so pink and cute and perfect. Look at that. Aww. Sakura and cinnamon roll. This outfit is so cute too. Oh, look at the little ears they put on her. They're so cute. And our last one is gonna be, of course, Hello Kitty, because we've gotten everything else. Kind of gave it away by picking the lucky one first, the mystery. And here she is. Oh my gosh. This one is so cute too. It's not very red, like I thought it was gonna be red. It's more of like a salmon, like a pink salmon. It's a little bit between this and the orange. Down on the bottom though, it looks really red now. But yeah, these are the one set of keychains that you can get in the Sanrio and Cardcaptor Sakura thing that they did. I love these so much, and it's gonna be hard to decide which ones Inksuna gets and which ones I get. So I don't know. We're gonna fight for them, I guess. I don't know. But anyway, guys, thanks for watching. In the comment section below, tell me which one of these is your favorite. They also made stuffed animals of each of these, so you can get these characters as a stuffed animals. I don't know if they're still out. It was a limited thing in November. They probably can find them somewhere on the internet, but they have a little bit of everything for the Cardcaptor Sakura theme that they did for the Sanrio character. So go and check that out. And thanks for watching. We'll see you soon. Bye.